Hello children. Good morning everyone. How are you all? Okay. The previous class we have seen the two derivations. Okay. I hope that you also gone through it and made it regularly. Okay. Right. Now today we are going to see about torque. Okay. We are going to see about what is torque. We have already seen what is torque, but today we are going to see the torque that is acting on a bar magnet in a uniform magnetic field. Okay. And also we are going to see about the potential energy at Biot-Savart law in this today's class. Okay. Right. Take your classwork note. Okay. Torque acting on a bar magnet in uniform magnetic field. Okay. This is the North Pole. This is the South Pole. Okay. Here, this is the uniform lines. Okay. These uniform lines are created by the bar magnet. When we place a bar magnet, okay, South Pole and North Pole, okay, because attraction, okay, North and South only goes on attraction, okay. This is the geometric distance O, okay, it creates a uniform magnetic field, okay. It goes from North to South Pole, this arrow denotes, okay, North to South Pole, okay. Right. Here goes Fn, okay. This North Pole force, here South Pole force, that is also Qm. Here it is minus Qm, okay, minus Qm. Here also magnetic field goes in this direction and magnetic field goes in this direction, okay. Right. Now we are going to find the net force, that is Fn plus Fs, okay. The net force Fn equal to Fs. So what is Fn and Fs? That is Qm minus Qm. So it becomes 0. Okay, the net force becomes 0. So there is no net force. Okay, so there is no net force means then no translatory motion. No translatory motion. So if there is no translatory motion, okay, so it forms a couple. It forms a couple. It forms a couple. So it rotates. The couple rotates. Okay, so torque and moment of force is created. Torque or moment of force is created. Torque or moment of force is created. So that tau is equal to R into F. So that is a perpendicular distance into force. R is the distance, F is the force. So torque is equal to distance into force. Okay, so now we are applying ON into Fn. What is ON? This distance, okay. This is ON and the force is F. Here OS and the force is Fs. So plus OS into Fs. Distance into force, that is the torque tau. So we all know that cross product A cross vector, B cross vector, okay, that is mod A mod B sine theta n cap. and mod A mod B sine theta. This is the modulus of A cross B vector. So, we are writing it in torque, okay, the magnetic field of torque. Writing like this, that is O n cross F n, that is sine theta, plus O s F s sine theta. Okay, for O n is equal to O s, that is the length L. Here the distance is 2L, and for this is L and this is L. So, O, this is S and O and N. This distance is L, this distance is also L. That is O n is equal to O s. Okay, now, so in this equation we are going to apply tau magnetic field, that is equal to L. Fn is Qm into B sine theta. Okay, QMB. Okay, and here L into QMB sine theta, but that is minus, isn't it? Now, as it is in magnitude, the minus gets cancelled. So, 2L QM into B sine theta. Okay, so tau equal to PM into B sine theta. So, torque is equal to PM B sine theta. Okay, this is the torque. Next we are going to see about the potential energy. Okay. Next we are going to see about the potential energy. We are going to see about potential energy of a bar magnet. In uniform magnetic field, in uniform magnetic field. Okay, right. This is the north pole, this is the south pole. Okay, place the bar magnet. Okay, this is the south pole, this is the north pole, this is the geometric center O. Okay, here the magnetic field is moving here. Okay, it goes from north to south pole, so this arrow is denoted. Okay, so we all know dipole moment. Okay, dipole moment, that is tau m. In the previous derivation we have seen Pm, okay, into B sine theta. Okay, here d theta, okay, it is rotated through a small external torque, okay, for that is written, that is the work done, okay, the work done here, okay. Here this magnet is rotated, so rotation takes place, okay. So this theta is converted to d theta because due to rotation. So this torque is written as external force, okay. So tau external into d theta, tau external into d theta. So now tau magnetic field is equal to tau external field, okay. Tau magnetic field is equal to tau external field, okay, the magnitude vectors, okay. So that dw is equal to Pm B sine theta into d theta, okay. So this is the small work. So for knowing the total work we are going to integrate it, we are going to integrate. So for we are going to integrate, so work done, that is equal to, okay, apply it here, Pm B sine theta d theta, okay. So here theta 1 to theta, okay. So Pm B, the sine theta different integrate panna enna agudhu, minus cos theta theta dash theta, okay. So this minus comes outside, minus Pm B and cos theta, okay, that is theta dash in theta. Now substitute the theta, so what happens, minus equal to minus Pm B cos theta minus of minus Pm into B cos theta dash, okay. எப்படி இது வந்துச்சுன்னா தீட்டாவை ஃபஸ்ட்டு உள்ளே போடுறோம், நெக்ஸ்ட் தீட்டா டேஷை போடுறோம், ஓகேவா, ரைட். Now this work done is stored as potential, okay. So U equal to minus Pm, that is B cos theta plus Pm into B cos theta dash, okay. Here theta dash is equal to 90 degree, okay, theta dash equal to 90 degree. So U is equal to minus Pm B cos theta plus Pm B cos 90 is equal to minus Pm into B cos theta, okay, because it cancels, only B cos theta is left. So U equal to minus Pm in dot product, that is B, okay, dot product B, okay. This is the final one. For case, if some special cases, if in case theta equal to 0 degree, okay, theta equal to 0 degree and theta equal to 180 degree, okay, in the place of U equal to, okay, U equal to minus Pm into B cos theta, okay. In the theta க்கு பதிலா 0 போடுங்க, theta க்கு பதிலா 180 போட்டிங்கன்னா you will get the value, that is minus Pm into B, because it becomes 1. Here it becomes minus 1, so Pm into B, because it becomes another minus cos theta varum, so minus minus gets cancelled and it is Pm into B, okay. ஓகே, லெட் மீ டெல் யூ, ஒரு பார் மேக்னெட்டை ப்ளேஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் யூனிஃபார்ம் மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்டில். அப்போது அந்த டைமில் பொட்டென்ஷியல் எனர்ஜி எவ்வளோன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். பொட்டென்ஷியல் எனர்ஜியை யூ அப்படின்னு டினோட் பண்ணுறோம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பொட்டென்ஷியல் எனர்ஜி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு நமக்கு டைபோல் மூமெண்ட், தட் இஸ் அ டார்க். ஓகே, இந்த ப்ரீவியஸ் டெரிவேஷன் நம்ம ஒரு டார்க் எப்படின்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். டார்க்கோட ஃபார்முலா that is tau m equal to pm b sin theta. Okay, so here also rotation takes place. Okay, அப்போ theta d thetaவா மாறணும் அப்படின்னா அங்கே ஒரு ஒர்க் நடந்திருக்கும். ஒரு ஒர்க் நடந்தால் தான் ஒரு எக்ஸ்டர்னல் ஃபோர்ஸ் ஆக்ட் ஆகுது. சரியா? அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த ஸ்மால் சேஞ்ச். ஓகே, சேஞ்ச் இன் எலிமெண்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ ஹியர் tau, magnetic field tau and external are equal. So dw equal to pm into b sin theta. Okay, ஸோ அதை நம்ம dwன்னு டினோட் பண்ணுறோம். இந்த pm b sin தீட்டாவை டினோட் பண்ணி டோட்டல் ஒர்க் டன் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்காக இன்டகிரேட் பண்ணுறோம். சரியா? இன்டகிரேட் பண்ணும்போது தீட்டா டேஷ் அண்ட் தீட்டாவை, தீட்டா டேஷ்லேருந்து தீட்டா, ஸோ சைன் தீட்டாவை இன்டகிரேட் பண்ணால் மைனஸ் காஸ் தீட்டா. சரியா? அப்போ மைனஸ் காஸ் தீட்டா ஃபஸ்ட்டு தீட்டாவை அப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள். தீட்டாவை அப்ளை பண்ணி ஒரு வேல்யூ அண்ட் மைனஸ் ஆஃப் மைனஸ் காஸ் தீட்டா, that is theta dash. Okay, now இதை சால்வ் பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு இந்த ஆன்சர் கிடச்சிருது. ஓகேவா? இப்போ ரெண்டு ஸ்பெஷல் கேசஸ் இருக்குது, கேஸ் 1 அண்ட் கேஸ் 2. கேஸ் 1ல் தீட்டா ஈக்குவல் டு 0 போடுறோம் இதில், இந்த ஈக்குவேஷனில். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு தீட்டா ஈக்குவல் 180 போடுறோம் இந்த ஈக்குவேஷனில். ஸோ we will get this answers. Okay children, right. Next we are going to see about Biot-Savart law. Okay, Biot-Savart law. Biot-Savart law. Okay, wow, this is an important question. Okay, right. Here we are taking a current carrying conductor. Okay, taking a current carrying conductor. Okay, small area எடுத்துக்கிறோம். அந்த small area dl, that small area is dl. Now here this angle is theta and this is the r cap. Here the magnetic field acts. Okay, at a point p, இந்த point வந்து p, அங்க ஒரு magnetic field create ஆகுது. சரியா? Okay, here the current flows. Okay, now here this magnetic field. Okay, in Biot-Savart law magnetic field தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். magnetic fieldோட ஃபார்முலாவை தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறாங்க. magnetic field வந்து எப்படி இருக்கா, கரண்ட்டுக்கு ப்ரொபோஷனலாக இருக்குது. it is proportional to current. ஐனா என்ன? current. ஓகேவா? Biot-Savart law, this magnetic field is directly proportional to current. Okay, next this magnetic field is directly proportional to the length of the element. Okay, length of the element. Right? Next, this magnetic field is directly proportional to the sine angle. Okay, that is sine theta. Next, this magnetic field is directly proportional to 1 by r square, the distance. Okay, inverse distance. Okay, so இது எல்லாத்தையும் வச்சு Biot-Savart law என்ன சொல்றார் அப்படின்னா, that is equal to, okay, that is inversely directly proportional to I dl sin theta and it is directly proportional to the square of the distance. So இந்த proportionality constants remove பண்ணனுக்காக k அப்படினு போடுறாங்க. k அப்படினு ஒரு proportionality constant apply பண்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? So k அப்படினு ஒரு proportionality constant apply பண்றாங்க. I dl sin theta by r square. Okay, wow. Now that k is equal to mu naught by 4 pi, mu naught by 4 pi. Okay, K equal to mu naught by 4 pi. So dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta by r square. So magnetic field க்கு இன்னொரு formula Biot-Savart law மூலமா கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? ரைட். Okay children, that's all about today's class and the homework. Okay, today's 3 derivations. Okay, today's 3 derivations. Assignment also. Okay, go through your book. Okay, go through your book and write it in a clear manner. Okay, understand it properly. Okay, very easy. Okay, this magnetic field is directly proportional to current, directly proportional to the length of the element, directly proportional to the angle, directly proportional, inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Okay, this is the Biot-Savart law. Okay, torque, potential energy and Biot-Savart law. These 3 derivations are today's homework. Okay children, study well. Don't waste a single time. Have a nice day.